Hello, dear viewers and subscribers. Thanks and welcome again to Maxi Service YouTube channel. Dear viewers, before moving forward, let's recap what we covered in our previous session. Azure VPN, in other definition, we can see that virtual private network is a service offered by Microsoft Azure that allows users to securely connect their on-premises network or individual devices to a virtual network in the Azure cloud. By establishing a secure connection over the internet, Azure VPN enables users to access resources in their Azure virtual network as if they were on their local network. So, in this diagram, you can see we have a device which is laptop and it's trying to connect to the internet, and here is an internet uh, VPN tunnel, right? So this tunnel securing this internet traffic and data to be transferred securely from this device to internet. So this was a recall our previous part which we discussed VPN, Azure Virtual Private Network, and today we will be discussing our second last topic, Azure ExpressRoute. What is ExpressRoute? Let's suppose if I want my private connection to my on-premises to cloud, any point to any connection, I don't want to route my traffic through internet, even though on internet I can create some tunnels, I can implement firewalls, securities, encryption, everything. But in spite of this, I also want to make my private connection. Then here is Express route provided by Azure. And even though every cloud platform provide their own uh, uh, service, but Azure provide Express route. Azure ExpressRoute lets you extend your on-premises networks into the Microsoft Cloud over a private connection. You see, it's mean from on-premises to cloud. If you want to communicate, it will be fully private connection with the help of a connectivity provider, which is ExpressRoute. This connection is called ExpressRoute circuit. With ExpressRoute, you can establish connections to Microsoft Cloud Service, okay, on cloud, such as Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365. This feature allows you to connect offices, data centers, or other facilities to the Microsoft Cloud. Each location would have its own express route circuits. It's mean if you want to connect your data center to data center, you will be navigating from through Azure cloud via Azure cloud with the help of Express route. So we will be discussing all these type of private connection provided by Express route one by one, and let's discuss its one first feature, which is uh, connectivity to Microsoft Cloud services across all regions in the uh, geographical region. Understand my point? It's mean if you want to connect another region, and also beyond that region, if you want to geographical region, then what you will need? You will also use express route. What you can connect to depends on express route SKU. Local would allow you to connect to one or two local Azure regions. Standard allows you to connect to all Azure regions in the geographical region, and premium allows you to connect to all global Azure regions. As you can see in the diagram, with the local with standards and with premium. So all these features are provided by Express Cloud. So what is the next feature? Next feature is actually uh, global connectivity to Microsoft services across all regions with the Express Global Reach. So, what is global reach? In this diagram, you can see even though you have two data centers, one is in San Francisco and the other is in London, okay, and you want to connect with these two data centers privately, then definitely, uh, but you want to connect via cloud, Azure Cloud. Azure Cloud provide you ExpressRoute feature, and that is a Express Global Reach. Using this global reach feature, both offices can use high-speed connectivity to connect to Azure services as well as other on-premises networks. Okay, even though you can connect to Azure services, also with the help of this route with other on-premises network as well. Francisco office would have a high speed connection to Azure services as well as high speed connection to the London office. Next feature is dynamic routing between your network and Microsoft where border gateway protocol. It's mean if you want to connect with the other network from on-premises to virtual network on cloud in the diagram you can see, and you want to make it's a dynamic routing, then it's also provided by ExpressRoute. In this diagram you can see active tunnel with BGP failover. It's mean if one tunnel is down, then automatically the other one get up. Okay, it's mean you can establish multiple connection between your Azure VNet and your on-premises VPN devices in the same location, right? This capability provides multiple tunnels, I mean paths between the two networks in an active configuration. If one of the tunnel is disconnected, the corresponding route will be withdrawn via BGP and the traffic automatically shifts to the remaining tunnels. Ooh. Okay, so let's move forward and see what is next with ExpressRoute. Okay, next is security consideration. Definitely, when you are going to select your private network, major concern is security considerations. With Express Route, your data does not travel over the public internet. This is first concern which we covered. Reducing the risk associated with internet communications. Okay, definitely if you are not connected to public internet, all risks are reduced automatically. ExpressRoute is a private connection from your on-premises infrastructure to any Azure infrastructures. Okay. Keep in knowing that whenever you need your private connection from your on-premises to any geographical in any region to any other data center on-premises via cloud, Azure cloud, you will consider Express route only in this situation because it also in start we have studied that definition is when you uh, it actually extend your private connection from your on-premises to cloud, right? Even if you have an express route connection, DNS queries, certificate revocation, list checking, and Azure Connect content delivery network requests are still sent over the public network. This is another point, guys. After you have express route connection, all DNS queries, domain name service queries, certification revocation, list checking, okay, and content delivery network still over the public network. Let me recall, we can connect uh, as a geographical region via local region. We can have global reach via Azure Cloud. We can also connect our data centers any to any connection. Dynamic routing between your network and Microsoft via border gateway protocol, and connectivity services provided by ExpressRoutes are Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft of Dynamics 365, Azure Compute microservices such as Azure Virtual Machines, Azure Cloud Services such as Azure Cosmos DB and Azure Storage. Regarding global connectivity, you can enable ExpressRoute global reach to exchange data across your on-premises sites by connecting your ExpressRoute circuits. For example, say you had an office in Asia and a data center in Europe, both with ExpressRoute circuits connecting them to the Microsoft network. Okay, I mean through Microsoft network you can connect your both data centers. One is in Asia and another is Europe. You cannot directly connect Asia and Europe. That will be your own private network, and there you cannot implement ExpressRoute. To implement ExpressRoute you need to uh, use Microsoft network. You can use ExpressRoute global reach to connect those two facilities, allowing them to communicate without transferring data over the public internet. Okay, which is main point. Dynamic routing, as we have discussed that there is number of routes defined. If there is one down or disconnected, other one route will be available, because it's actually enhance high availability. Built-in redundancy actually provide this feature. You have similar routing and connection established with the express route circuits, and they will be available in alternate way. Okay, so also we have express route connectivity models like cloud exchange co-location, point to point is ethernet connection, any to any connection direct from express route sites also, because all of these you will be understand when you have specific topic to express route. Because uh, if I a little bit explain what is cloud exchange co-location, actually it refers to your data centers, office or other facility being physically co-located at the cloud exchange, such as an ISP. Okay, if your facility is co-located at the cloud exchange, you can request a virtual cross connect to the Microsoft Cloud. Point to point Ethernet connection mean point to point Ethernet connection refers to using a point to point connection to connect your facility to the Microsoft Cloud. Simple. Same goes for if we discuss any to any network, you can integrate your wide area network with Azure by providing connections to your offices and data centers. Azure integrates with your WAN connection to provide a connection like you would have between your data center and any branch offices. So last one is directly from ExpressRoute sites mean you can connect directly into the Microsoft global network at a peering location strategically distributed across the world. ExpressRoute Direct provides dual 100 gigabits per second or 10 gigabits per second connectivity. Ooh, great speed with which supports active connectivity at scale. Okay, guys, so this was today's in part 14 of AZ 900 certificate, second last part, and last is uh, Azure DNS, and we will discuss by tomorrow in part 15 apart from knowledge check, and that will be our final part, and then we will be having complete series in one video. Okay, bye, take care, thank you.